Yar, Sneaky Lax be back in the house and me treasures and stuff. Here we be having EXE GNU Linux from the land of pirates down in Exmouth and the southwest of the United Kingdom. Yar, me hearties. Yar, yar, yar. Oh, sore throat now, sorry about that. Yes, this is EXE GNU Linux from the southwest of the United Kingdom. Been going a little while now. And I thought I'll give you a go. Now, it looks a bit like KDE 3.5, doesn't it? Yes, well, it's because it is. It's the Trinity fork. We've got a bit of Trinity going down. It's built from Debian, from base upwards, with no proprietary stuff in the house. No, not unless you put it in yourself. Now, it's old school KDE, so it comes with quite a lot. And yes, I have installed Pulse Audio for you here, so you can hear me what I'm doing, but there were other problems along the line, okay? So, I'm going to give you a quick look around if you like this old school kind of desktop, okay? Some of you will like it, you'll think, yeah, that'll do me. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, on the tin, does what it says. You know what I mean. So, old school KDE, down the bottom here, time and date, record my desktop, obviously, because I'm recording it on a live machine, hardware install as usual, volume, Ethernet. Am I plugged into my laptop? No, it's not a laptop. And some other stuff here, resize your screen, clipboard, my language is Great Britain, God Save the Queen, my 4 desktops, terminal, we have, guess what, Iceweasel for your web browser, because it's a free, yes, home, and down here, desktop access, show desktop. And of course we have the Trinity kickoff start button, which I'm going to click for you now. As you can see, I've been doing a bit of stuff. Now, you do get quite a bit with this, and it's, is it on a CD? Yes, it fits on a CD, even better. Okay. Bear in mind you can have LXD as your desktop, and also you can also have KDE 4 if you so wish to do so. Right, what can I show you? Well, I'm going to show you all of it while I'm here. Under development we have KDIF 3, diff patch front end. Okay, yeah, never mind. Now that's better. Now you'll know what to look at. We have Gimpage going down. Now, what Gimpage is it? Do you think it's going to be old school? Let's have a look. One way to find out, isn't there? We do a bit of clicking, we do a bit of waiting, and it's GIMP 2.8. Super duper Mini Cooper does what it says. Lovely. So yes, you have got up-to-date programs, but it is nice and stability. Yes, I like him very much. Come on, Gimpy, hurry up. Do me Gimping. Oh yeah, comes up alright. Does what it's supposed to do. Does Gimping stuff, doesn't it? Big Gimping, spending G's, as they say. Was that the wrong song? Yeah, it's the wrong song. Anyway, back to the menu. Also under graphics, we get Gwenview, Colour Chooser, K Colour Edit, K Font View, and K Snapshot. Under Internet, we get Seni for your network card configuration. You should just have to plug and play though. Mine did, just plugged it in and it played. Get iStuff for your mail and news client, Iceweasel for your web browser, I've said before, KGet for your download manager, KNet Attach, KTorrent, Conqueror, Conversation, Transmission, and Wicked, Junglist Method. Yar. Right, under multimedia, now you can see I'll put a bit in here myself. Amrock is your standard audio player here. Audacity was already there, didn't have to do it myself. GTK YouTube Viewer for viewing YouTube videos. Remember, there's no Flash installed. You'll have to do that yourself if you want to, because it's like, no proprietary, man. K3B, probably the best burning utility out there, although XFBurn, hot on its tails, baby, hot on its tails. KM Media Player, a bit like Gnome Player. KMix, don't need to use that anymore because we've got Pulse. Also there's Caffeine here and M Player. All the Pulse stuff, although I did have a bit of problem getting it to work in Record My Desktop, so I've gone the roundabout way of doing this one. There's also Sound Converter for converting audio and CDs. Right, under Office, all you do get is Abbey Word here. Right, you can get the K stuff if you want to, but you might have to enable the repos for that. So Abbey Word and GNumeric are your babies. We'll open Abbey Word up just to see what version it is, because I haven't got a clue. Now, it looks like old school. Should we soon find out? Let's have a look. No, it's 292. So you got all the new stuff, haven't you? Oh, nicey. This is one of the latest builds, which is only a few days old, apparently. The previous build to that was October, I think. I thought, no, I'm not doing that one, we'll get a newer one, okay? But Office we've done, yeah, we get all these, you get K Address, K ARM, K, and Orange, don't forget Orange. Science and Math, or GNumeric, that is actually in Office. Under Settings, right, audio, and it's very bleeding quick. CDDB database configuration and retrieval, desktop settings wizard, yes, you can do all that. Gparted is here, of course. Pulse audio preferences, what the hell is that doing in settings? Well, I suppose it would be. Under System, there's loads of stuff here for you to play with. Like old school K in it. Your file manager is super user, bulk rename, a disk manager. GNU installer. Well, I've already installed it. Yeah, it took around about 10 minutes, and it's on an old machine. It just works. Okay, it just works. I'm going to open HTOP up for you so you can see what's going down. Now, bearing in mind, I'm recording at the same time, right? So my CPU will be doing a bit of work, won't it? As you can see up here, it's done 40, 50, which yeah, that's about average for this sort of CPU. Remember, it's bloody old. I'm still only using 167 megabytes of RAM. When it's kicking over, just as you just boot it, it's about 101. Yeah, so it's really, really good on RAM. And it's only giving me 255 megabytes of swap. I didn't get that bit. I should have partitioned the disk myself, really, shouldn't I? Yes, you should have. Yeah. Anyway, let's give it that. What else do we have here? The system. It's too quick, slow down. Okay, so we've done HTOP for you, and KKK, loads of K stuff, KKK. Snapshot to USB, your live USB installer, if you want to check it on a stick. Nice, Susie, from a stick, yeah. Synaptic Package Manager, yes, I've been using that to install some bits and bobs. Thunar File Manager, remember, yes, it's still here if you want to use it. UX Terminal, X Terminal, and K Power Save. Well, I'm not on a laptop, so it doesn't really apply to me, but it would actually work on lappies. And with that sort of CPU and memory usage, I think it would be very good at it as well. Right. What you'll find is some of the menus, there's a lot of repeats. And we don't like repeats. But it happens on old school KDE. Nothing more to do about that. Find files and folders. Help. Home personal files. I can open that for you. As you can see, this is one that's actually recording it now with Castle. I can't play you it, can I? No, there's a desktop install errors. You always get one of those when you've actually installed it, just in case there's any errors. Do you want to have a look at it? Right. I don't mind opening it. Yeah, I'm easy. Will it open? Yeah, of course it will. And this is my log from installing. There you go. It tells me all about it. Blah 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 blah. New password. And there's my grub stuff. So yeah, that all works rather nice, doesn't it? Yes. Right. We'll open up the browser for you. Remember, it's Iceweasel. It doesn't actually look like a weasel. If I called it Ice Bear or something, it might have been better, wouldn't it? Really, like a berry thing. Now you can see where it starts to struggle on the Trinity Fork when you're recording at the same time. It slows down a little bit. Remember, this machine's only got 1 gigabyte of RAM anyway, so you know, not too bad really. So if we go to Google and we put in EXE GNU Linux, I should put half in there really, and see what comes out. And here we are. It's a flavour of Devon. Yeah. Well, you can actually roll your own if you want to, okay? Tells you all about it here. KDE Trinity Desktop 3.5.13. So it's all super of the duper. They've got their own files as well they put in, but it's basically standard Debian Squeeze. I thought this one was different. Anyway, where was I? Current downloads. If you want to go and get it, I'll show you. And I went to this one because it was newer. From Wheezy. And I have downloaded... Was it experimental when I downloaded? I think it was. The EXE GNU Wheezy 24th of April 2013 one. So it is experimental. Could it be experimental? It could be, couldn't it? There's one from the 29th as well, which was a couple of days ago. Yeah. So that's super duper. That's what it says. Yeah, nice. I'll open up a couple of pages for you. Just to show you how Iceweasel actually works. When it gets on down, baby, down. Oh yeah. The BBC homepage. Renders okay. I can't complain about that. Yeah, can't complain, can we? Nice. So yeah, very, very nice. I'm not going to go into it anymore because you can download it yourself. It fits on a CD, by God, so, you know. And if you want a bit of pirating, going yar, 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 while you're doing your work, going yar, 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 and winding your kids and wife up, going yar, 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 bring me caps to eat, some rum and some cider, yar, yar, and annoy people, go and give it a go. I am going to rate it, although I've not actually used it for more than a day or two. It's been installed for about 2 days. It's, yeah, I could live with it, although I like the newer desktops. But for some of you who like this style of desktop, it's super fine, super duper, and it will get everything done. Although you might have to fiddle about with certain things, like Pulse. Although I didn't have to, but getting me to my desktop to do it was a pain at my Pulse, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm going to give it 82%. It's still super duper, but not quite for me. And a couple of little things just don't work properly. But hey, I can live with that. It's very, very nice. Sneaky, relax, going out. Yeah, pieces of meat. Yeah, probably want a cracker.